Hello friends, it's MoNaCo here with our 9th homework notes video focusing on accuracy and precision and how they are not actually the same thing. In American language we kind of consider that they're the same, they're synonyms, but in science and chemistry accuracy and precision are not actually the same. They're kind of variations of the same concept. So students would be able to differentiate between the two different things, accuracy and precision, and understand how both of those play a role in experimental procedures. Here's a pretty good visual of what accurate and precise are. This first example right here is both accurate and precise. All the arrows have hit the bullseye. They're nicely, tightly grouped at the center of the target, right on target where you want it to be. This second example is the example of a very precise measurement or precise individual, but they're not very accurate, meaning like, they're always just getting slightly off of the main target. Okay, so the tool that they're using is precise, but they're not always hitting the target that they're after. This last example is the worst case scenario for any type of measurement tool in science. It's not accurate and it's not precise. Basically, any measurement or number that it spits out cannot be trusted. The most trustable results will be when they are accurate and precise. Now, I just want to take an opportunity to show you a main tool that I use for my own understanding many times. I absolutely love Google image searches. If you're ever having trouble with a keyword or a term from one of my lectures, put it in a Google image search, okay? So I typed in accuracy versus precision here, and I have hundreds and hundreds of different visuals to represent the very concept that this lecture is about. So please use the tools that you have available to you to enrich your educational experience. So going back to our notes, let's finish up here. It's a very short video. So the first little bit that we're going to talk about is, well, what is accuracy and precision? Well, we make measurements in science in order to obtain information. Error is always part of any measurement, meaning like there's always some uncertain portion. Accuracy and precision are characteristics of measurement that are manipulated to reduce error. Okay, so going back to our original picture, we want to reduce our probability of having, crummy answers. We want to reduce that by making sure that our machine that we're using to measure is both precise and accurate. We don't want this either. I mean, it's better than the first one, but we don't want this either. We want both accurate and precise. We want to reduce the possibility of error in our human error in our measurements so that when we can report a result, it is most close to the truth. Okay? So accuracy, straight up definition. It's a closeness to a desired value. Example, hitting the bullseye when you are aiming for it. Now precision, straight definition, how repeatable your results are. Consistency, how close your results are to one another. Everybody can get lucky. You aim at the bullseye, you throw that dart, and boom, it hits it. Yes, I got lucky. I was accurate. The difference between everybody and a professional dart player is that precision. The professional dart player can hit the bullseye consistently, over and over and over and over again. I don't know about you, but I'm going to put my money on the person who's practiced and precise. They can say, I'm going to hit number 20. Boom, hit it. I'm going to hit 20 again. Boom, hit it again. Okay? So my money would be on the player or the athlete who is both accurate and precise. Anybody can get lucky and shoot a three-point shot, but those players who consistently sink three-pointers are the ones who are going to make the $1 million. Okay? So accuracy and precision have many, many applications, not just in science, many connections. So in this scenario, we have 4 students, Cheryl, Cynthia, Carmen, and Cassie. They are shooting at targets at camp, and which target would go with each player? Somebody is both accurate and precise. Someone is accurate but not precise. Someone is precise but not accurate, and somebody is neither precise nor accurate. So pause the video, see if you can match them up. Okay, now that you've matched them up, let's check our answers. Neither precise nor accurate. That's Cheryl. Cheryl is not precise or accurate. Precise but not accurate. Somebody who has a tight grouping but it's not on target would be Cassie. She has a very tight group but it's not on the bullseye. Now we find somebody who's accurate but not precise. Cynthia. Cynthia seems to get her grouping pretty much towards the center of the target every time, but she's got a little bit of a precision issue. Okay. Now Carmen, on the other hand, now this is who I would want to be my sharpshooter if I was negotiating with terrorists, because she's got the most accurate and precise results of all the people at the summer camp. Okay. So check it out. Following data was collected during a lab experiment, the density of the cube should be 10.8 grams per mil. Would you say that this data is accurate, precise, neither, or both relative to the accepted value? So if we're looking at our trials, 1, 2, and 3, the density of the cube turns out to be 6.2, 6.3, and 6.5. But the result that they should have gotten was 10.8. So you have to decide, is this data as accurate, precise, or neither? Think about that. Pause it for a second. Okay, so you have thought about it. These results are actually quite tight in a group. So this is a very tight group. So that means they are precise, but they are far, far away from the target of 10.8. So I would say they are precise, but not accurate. Okay. The results are consistent, but they are not on the target that is expected. So accuracy and precision is very simple, straightforward, and you should now be able to tell the difference between accuracy and precision and explain why both are important to laboratory procedures. All right. So thanks for watching this very short homework video. See y'all later.